In the last class, means last week, we have learned the place value, but we have just learned about the 4 digits. Fine. So before going on the 5-digit numbers, we will just have a quick review. So you just memorize or recall all the things which we have learned the last week. In the last week, we have done with the 4-digit number. So how we can write the name, or you can say in words form of a 4-digit numbers. I am having a number 5, 4, 3, 2. First of all, before writing the name of this number, I need to put the place values. First of all, I am writing this one is the ones, then 10, then 100, and the last one is 1000. Okay. So how I can write the name of this one? How can I write? What will be the name? 5,000, 400, 32. So as in the last class, means last week, we have learned to how to write the name of any 4-digit number. Last class में हमने क्या किया था? 4-digit number का नाम लिखना सीखा था. जैसे इसके अंदर हमने किया, the number is there 5,432. Fine. So what I have written over there? 5,432 simply. Now we are going to move forward and learn that how we can write into the 5-digit numbers. In 5-digit numbers, let's suppose a number is there 68904. As I always told you that whenever we just wants to change the number in words form, or you can say you have to find out the name of this number. So first of all, you need to place the place values, just like we have done in the previous one. जैसे हमने previous one के अंदर सबसे पहले place values को place किया था, उसी तरीके से हम अब सबसे पहले इसमें क्या करेंगे? place values को place करेंगे. 1, 10, 100, 1000. And if we just gather the 10,000 together, it become a 10,000. The last one is 10,000. Whenever we just gather the 10 ones together, it becomes a tens. Fine. जब भी हम 10 ones को आपस में मिला देते हैं, क्या बन जाता है हमारे पास? tens बन जाता है. But when we just gather the 10 tens together, it becomes a 100. जब हम 10 tens को आपस में मिलाते हैं, क्या बन जाता है? 100 बन जाता है. And when we just gather the 10 100 together, so it becomes a 1000. जब हम 10 hundreds को, जैसे लास्ट क्लास में हमने पढ़ा भी था, in the last class we have learned as well that when we just gather up or just combine the 10 hundreds together, it becomes a 1000. But if we just gather up or just combine the 10 thousands together, it becomes a 10,000. Okay. Now how we can write the name of this number? किस तरह से हम इसका name लिख सकते हैं? Starting from the left side, हमेशा एक तरह left side से start करेंगे. So what will be the number first of all? As I told you, okay, I am just telling one thing. First of all, we have to write the combined family name over there. Means these two belongs to 1000 family. अगर मैं इन दोनों की बात करूं तो ये किससे belong करते हैं? 1000 family से. And these three belongs to the unit family. Fine. These two families are there in this number. यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितनी families हैं? 2 families हैं. एक है 1000 की और एक क्या है? unit की. तो हम जब भी नाम लिखने को शुरू करते हैं, whenever we just start writing the name of any number or inverse form of any number, we just write the number name, fine, and then its family. हम क्या करेंगे? पहले नंबर का नाम लिखेंगे, फिर उसकी फैमिली का नेम लिख देंगे. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या नंबर है 1000 की फैमिली में? 68. क्या बना 6 1000. Fine. First of all, I have written the number over there. Then it's family. सबसे पहले मैंने क्या लिखा, यहाँ पे नंबर लिखा 68 का. Then I have written the family name. 1000 is the family name, so I have just written the 1000 over there. Then what is the unit family's number? 904. 904 means 904. So simply I write 900, 900 and 4. Okay. In the units family, there is no need to mention the family name. हमें unit family में family name को unit का जब भी लिख रहे होते हैं तो हमें family का name इतनी जरूरत नहीं लिख पड़ती. But if we are writing 1000, so it is a higher family, so we need to mention the name of that. Fine. हमें number के साथ उसकी family को भी mention करना पड़ता है, यानी 68,904. Fine. One last example I am doing more. One more number I am just telling. Then we will move on to the next thing. One more number is there. 588. Fine. I will change the number. Fine. Number is 83042. Fine. First of all, what is the first step? Mark the place values. Ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Fine. Starting from 10,000 means left side. First of all, what is the family? This is the 1000 family, and this is the unit family. Fine. Now I will start writing the name of the number. 83,000. What it will be? 83. First of all, I have to write the number name 83. And what is the family? 1000. So what it will become? 83,000. Then after that, what is the number? 042. What it will become? 042? No. Simply just what is the number over there? 42 and 42. So simply just like that, as I told, first of all you need to write the number name, then its family. But when we are writing the unit, it is not required the family name over there. सही? सबसे पहले हम नंबर लिखेंगे, उसकी फैमिली लिखेंगे. बट जब यूनिट की फैमिली की बात आएगी तो हम उसके अंदर सिर्फ नंबर लिखेंगे, फैमिली नेम नहीं लिखेंगे. आई होप सो दिस थिंग इज क्लियर टू यू. फाइन. Now we will just learn that how we can convert the inverse form into the numeral form. अब हम पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरह से हम inverse form को किस में चेंज कर सकते हैं, नंबर फॉर्म में. A number is given over there 94,622. 94,622. Before writing the number over there, first of all you need to write the place values. It is easier for you then to solve the question. So first of all I am writing the place values: ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Fine. First of all, I have placed the place values. Now come to the numbers. What is the number over there? 94,000. सबसे पहले क्या है हमारे पास? 94,000. So at the place of 90,000, what you have to write? 94. Fine. So combining the families given over there, so what should you write? 94. And what is given over there? 600. So under the 600, what you will write? 6, and the last one is there 22. So what should you write in the end? 22. And like that, the second one is there 60,804. So what what is the first step? First step that is that we need to write the place value. So I am just writing the place value. Ones, 10, 100, 1000, then 10,000. Fine. Starting from the higher one, 60,000. 60 means 60. So at the place of 1000 means 10,000 and 1000 combined is given over there. यहाँ पे हमारे पास 1000 10,000 का मिला के दिया हुआ है. So what number will come at the family of 1000? 1000 की family में क्या number आएगा? 60. So simply I have to write 60 over there. Fine. Then 800 means at the place of 100 what will be written over there? 8. क्या लिखा हुआ होगा वहाँ पे? 8 लिखा होगा. And 4. Is there any tens over there? Means 20, 30. No. Fine. So just simply 4 is there. So at the place of ones I am placing 4. And at the empty place what I am write? 0. So what number is there? 60,804. So that is the simple and easiest way to convert the inverse form into the numeral form. Fine. Having for this week is that we have to find out that how many 10,000 are there, how many thousands are there, how many tens are there, and how many ones are there in any number. Let's suppose we have a number 95036. Fine. So in this, now we have to find out or separate out that how many 10,000s are there, how many thousands are there, how many hundreds, and how many tens, and how many ones. So first step is that, as we have done in the last question as well, same first step is there. First we have to need to place the place value, because without placing the place value you cannot solve any question regarding the place values. Place values को place किए बगैर आप कोई भी question सही नहीं कर सकते. So first of all you need to place the place value on each and every number. Now tell me how many 10,000s are there? 9 10,000. So I will write just 9 10,000. How many thousands are there? 5. So 5,000. Okay. How many hundreds are there? 0. So what you will write? 0 100. Then how many tens are there? 3 tens. And how many ones are there? 6 ones. 6 ones. Okay, one more example I am giving. Now you guys will help me out. How we can figure it out? What is the first step? Placing the place value. Ones, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Fine. Second step. Now, how many 10,000 is there? 7. 10,000. Then how many thousands are there? 8. 8,000. Then how many hundreds are there? How many? 5. So 500. How many tens are there? 4 tens. So 4 tens. And how many ones are there over here? 0 ones. 0 ones. Fine. This is the easiest one, and I have explained all things to you. Also, you get all the things. Now, I am giving you a little assignment. You need to complete it and submit it as well. Okay? And we will meet next week. Inshallah. Allah.